Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Kevin. How are you today?
Hi, Nina. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good too. Today, I want to talk about the jobs and careers we like. Do you like talking about different careers?
Yes, I do. I think careers are very interesting. They show what people do and how they help others.
Great. I have many questions about the jobs we like. Can we talk about that?
Of course, Nina. I am happy to share my ideas about careers with you.
Kevin, what does career mean to you?
To me, a career is a job that you work in for a long time. It is not just a short job, but something you do to earn money and follow your passion.
I agree. A career is a way to use your skills and interests. Some people become doctors, teachers, engineers, or artists.
Yes, there are many careers. I like that each career is different. They need different skills and talents.
That is true. Today, we will talk about the careers we like and why we like them. I really like jobs where people help others. For example, I think being a teacher is a great career.
I understand. Teachers help students learn and grow. They make a difference in many lives.
Yes, I admire teachers. I also like doctors. They help people when they are sick and make them feel better.
Doctors are very important. I think nurses and paramedics are also part of the helping professions. They work in hospitals and help save lives.
I agree. I love the idea of caring for others. I sometimes think I might become a nurse or a teacher.
That is a good thought. Helping jobs are rewarding because you see the positive impact on people.
Kevin, what about creative jobs? Do you like any creative careers?
Yes, I do. I like careers in art and design. For example, I think being an architect is very interesting. Architects design buildings and spaces.
That sounds creative and technical. I also like the idea of being a graphic designer. They use art and technology to make beautiful images.
Graphic designers are creative too. They work on computers and use colors and shapes to express ideas.
I like creative jobs because they allow you to show your personality. I sometimes imagine myself working in a small art studio or a design firm.
Creative careers are fun and different. They are also important because they make our world more beautiful.
What about science and technology, Kevin? Do you like those careers?
Yes, I do. I think a career in science is very exciting. I like learning about the world and solving problems. For example, I like the idea of being an engineer.
Engineers build things. They design bridges, machines, and many useful devices.
Exactly. I also think being a computer scientist or a programmer is interesting. These jobs are about technology and help make our lives easier.
I agree. Technology is part of our daily life. I often use my phone and computer. It is amazing to think of the people who design these tools.
Science and technology careers help our society grow. They make the future bright.
Kevin, do you think careers in business or law are interesting?
Yes, I do. I like the idea of working in business. For example, a manager or an entrepreneur works to create new products and services.
I have heard that entrepreneurs start their own companies and take risks to follow their dreams.
That is right. They must work hard and be creative to succeed. I also think that lawyers have an important job. They help people by giving legal advice and protecting their rights.
Lawyers must be very smart and good at communication. I admire that.
Yes, a career in law can be challenging, but it is very important for society.
Kevin, what is your favorite career? Which job do you like the most?
I think my favorite career is engineering. I like to solve problems and design new things. I imagine building bridges or designing smart machines.
That is interesting. I like teaching and working in the helping professions. I feel happy when I think of sharing knowledge with others.
Both careers are very good. Engineering and teaching require hard work and a lot of learning.
Yes, and they are rewarding because they help people in different ways.
I believe that whatever career you choose, it should make you feel proud and motivated.
Why do you think you like engineering, Kevin?
I like engineering because I enjoy building and fixing things. When I solve a problem, it makes me feel like I have made a difference. I also like math and science, and engineering uses both of these subjects.
I see. For me, I like teaching because I love learning and sharing knowledge. I want to help others grow and be successful.
That is a noble goal. Teachers are like guides who help students learn about life and the world.
Yes, and I also like that teaching can be creative. You can design fun lessons and use different methods to teach.
I think the reason we choose our favorite careers is that they match our interests and skills. They also let us help others and be part of a community.
Absolutely. Our passions and talents lead us to the careers we love. Kevin, what do you think about the working environment in your favorite career?
I imagine that an engineering workplace is busy, with many people working together. There are computers, tools, and machines. I like the idea of working with a team to solve problems.
That sounds dynamic. In teaching, the classroom is a friendly place. There are students, books, and creative materials.
Yes, a good working environment is important. It makes people feel comfortable and motivated.
I think that in any career, the support of your colleagues is very important. It helps you learn and grow.
I agree. A positive work environment makes work more enjoyable and can lead to success.
What are your future plans regarding your career, Kevin?
I plan to study engineering at a good university. I want to learn more about computers, machines, and how to design new things. I also plan to work on small projects to gain experience.
That is a good plan. I plan to study education and become a teacher. I want to help children learn and feel confident.
It is wonderful that you have clear goals. I think planning is very important for success in any career.
Yes, and I believe that hard work and passion will help us reach our goals.
I am excited about my future. I want to be part of new projects and solve real-world problems.
I am excited about teaching because I know that I can make a difference in my students' lives. Kevin, how do you think we can balance our career goals with our personal life?
I think it is very important to have balance. Even when you work hard, you should have time for family, friends, and hobbies. I plan to set aside time for fun and relaxation.
That is a good idea. I want to be a good teacher, but I also want to enjoy life outside of work.
Yes, balance is the key to a happy life. Work can be very rewarding, but you must also take care of yourself.
I agree. I plan to work hard in school and then spend time doing things I love, like reading, painting, and spending time with my family.
That sounds like a perfect plan. It is important to have time for work and for fun.
Kevin, do you think any career is easy to choose or succeed in?
No, I think every career has challenges. For example, engineering requires a lot of math and science. It can be hard, but I like challenges because they help me learn.
I feel the same about teaching. It is not always easy to make lessons interesting and to manage a classroom. But I believe that hard work makes you stronger.
Yes, every career needs effort and time. Success comes from working hard and never giving up.
I agree. Even if things are difficult, it is important to keep trying and to learn from mistakes.
I am ready to face challenges in my future career because I believe they will help me grow.
That is a good attitude, Kevin. I believe that with hard work and a positive mindset, we can succeed in any career. Who inspires you, Kevin, when you think about your future career?
I am inspired by many engineers who have built amazing things. I like to read about famous inventors and learn how they solved big problems. They show me that it is possible to change the world with ideas.
That is very inspiring. I am inspired by my favorite teachers. They are patient, creative, and kind. They show me how education can change lives.
Role models are very important. They help us see what is possible and give us hope for the future.
Yes, I often read stories about successful people. They remind me that with effort, our dreams can come true.
I agree. Learning about role models motivates me to work hard in school and to pursue my passion.
Kevin, how do you think education helps us achieve our career goals?
Education is very important. It gives us the knowledge and skills we need for our careers. I learn math, science, and technology, which will help me in engineering.
I learn many things in school too. In my classes, I learn how to read, write, and solve problems. These skills are important for teaching and for life.
Yes, education opens many doors. It helps us think clearly and solve problems.
I believe that a good education is the foundation of a successful career.
I agree. We must study hard and learn as much as we can. Our teachers and books are our best friends in this journey.
When you think about your future career, Kevin, how do you plan to balance work and life?
I plan to work hard, but I also want to spend time with my family and friends. I think it is important to have hobbies and relax, even when you have a demanding job.
That is very important. I want to be a good teacher, but I also want to have time for my art, my family, and my friends.
Yes, balance is key. I believe that if you work smart and plan well, you can have both a successful career and a happy personal life.
I agree. Planning my day and making time for fun activities will help me stay happy and healthy.
I will also make sure to schedule time for exercise, hobbies, and relaxation. It makes a big difference.
Kevin, what is your dream for the future? What do you hope to achieve in your career?
My dream is to become a great engineer. I want to design new machines and help solve problems in my community. I hope to work in a team where my ideas can make a difference.
That is a wonderful dream. I dream of becoming a teacher who inspires children. I want to create a fun classroom where every student loves to learn.
Both dreams are very important. We can help change the world in our own ways.
Yes, and I believe that by following our passions, we can make our dreams come true.
I am excited for the future. I will study hard and work toward my goal. I know it will take time and effort.
I will do the same. Let's always support each other in our studies and dreams. Talking about our favorite careers has made me think about what I want to do in the future. It is very interesting to learn about different jobs and why we like them.
I feel the same, Nina. Discussing careers helps me understand what I enjoy and what I am good at. It makes me excited about my future.
I am happy to share my thoughts with you. I believe that our dreams will guide us to a bright future.
Yes, and by working hard and learning every day, we will reach our goals. I am very motivated now.
Thank you, Kevin, for this long talk. I feel inspired and ready to work on my studies and my future career.
Thank you, Nina. I enjoyed our conversation very much. Let's keep encouraging each and share our ideas again soon.
I must go now, Kevin, but I will think about our talk all day. I am excited about my future and about learning more about the career I love.
I am glad we talked about our favorite careers, Nina. It makes me happy and motivated. Have a great day and study well.
Thank you, Kevin. I will see you at school tomorrow, and we can talk more about our projects and our dreams. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Nina. Take care and keep dreaming big.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.